Christina and welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I'm gonna be unboxing a package that arrived from Shopee. Though, yung first clip nito guys, hindi nag-record. See? I already removed. Stress. But anyway, I can still unbox it right now. Nabad trip ako, but okay. Good night because let's just continue, okay? But it's well protected, so I forgot. Since nakat yung first clip, I got this from the shop on Shopee called Soul Stop. I think it goes by the name Mariel Pineda. So I can just pin it here yung name ng shop, so you can go check them out. Not sponsored! Hindi ako makapagsalita. It's been a while. Okay, let's open it. Don't worry, this infected na to. Guys, I don't even know how to explain how I'm feeling right now. Ayan na siya. Wow. Wow, agad. Okay, wait. Let me just remove this. Ang kapal kasi. Ayan. It's very well protected. Oh my goodness. Let's just... Oh my god! Wait. Let me show you. Wow, this is the Dawn version. Wow. Okay, so well protected naman siya. ENHYPEN. Oh, my PC! Oh, my PC in between. I got... Oh, Jay! CJ! Oh my god. May nakasulat sa likod. Why so cool? I've got Jay and Sono! Uy! Uy, ang ganda! Ang ganda sa likod, no? Ang ganda ng print. Very nice. Thank you so much. Okay. And then, of course, the receipt and everything. This is the second album. Ito, medyo na ano siya dito, but it's okay. This is the dusk version. Oh my god, I'm so excited on who I'm gonna pull! Okay, let's go open the dusk version muna. Okay. Breathe. Okay. Paano ko ba ito buksan hindi siya mag-scratch? Ito na lang. Oh my god. Ang laki pala! Hindi ko siya na-expect na maging ganito kalaki. Ay... Wow! I cannot. Wait, let me just set that aside. Uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Okay. Oh, so you just slide it. Ooh, and then you have these in different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang bango, ang bango. The photo book. Uy, ang ganda. Oh my god, kinakabahan ako. Wait! Kinakabahan ako. Wow! Wait! I saw something! Wow! Uy, ang gwapo. Ang ganda. Ano ba yun ang hair ko? Uy, ang ganda. Sisang. Uy, ang ganda si Jay. Hindi mo makita. Ah! Sorry. But I love all members. Uy, someone, oh. Ang ganda ng quality. I cannot. Oh my god, Jongwon. Leader name. Nikki. I didn't know it has this. Wow, wait, ano pa? And of course, you have the CD. Wait. I'm excited. Let's see who I'm gonna pull. Ay! Ah! Si Jungwon! Uy, ang cute. I cannot. Ang cute. Wait, who's the next one? Oh my God! Nakita ko! May bias! I'm so happy. Alam niyo yun? Uy, ang gwapo ni Jake! Ano? And what's this? It's a to find message. This thing right here. I'm not sure what this is. And then, of course, QR code. Okay, wait. Let's go look at the sneak peek on the photo book. Uy, ang gwapo. Ah! Uy, ang ganda! Wait, slowly. Careful tayo, careful. Isang. Uy, ang gwapo. I cannot. Uy, ang ganda! Oh my God. So happy. Uy, ito. Ang ganda. Wait! Akala ko you can open it. But, ayan. Dusk. Uy, ang ganda. I cannot. Oh my God! Akala ko Polaroid. Iyak na. But, wow! May ganon. Wow! Wow! Amazing! All members? All members! Alam, cool! All members pala may Polaroid scan. Wow, that is so nice. Okay, so we'll put this back. Set aside. Here sa tabi. Para protected. Okay. Balik na lang natin inside. Uy, ang saya! Ay, kinikilig talaga ako. Wow. Okay, next album. Done! Okay. Okay, magdasal ulit tayo. Pwedeng bias record, please? Or, pwede namang any member. Pero, pag-bias ko na naman to. Thank you so much. Wait. Hanap na lang ulit ako ng punit. Ayan. Ayoko mag-cutter kasi baka ma-scratch yung layer. Uy, ba't ganito? Hindi ko na-expect talaga na ganito kalaki yung album. I was expecting it to be much smaller. But, yes. Tada! Done. Ang ganda! Okay. Slide it out. Oh, nakuha yung isa. Yeah, nasama yung isa. Dumikit! But, yeah. Calling. Yung isa waken. Okay. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. Ang ganda ng mga photo cards. Photo cards ang tawag doon. Yung, like this. Wait. I cannot get it. Meron nila siya. Postcard! Lutang, but yes. Ay, ang ganda. Oh! May pirma yung isa! Ay! Wow! Their signatures! Uy, ang ganda! Hoy! Wait, I cannot. Wait, why? But anyway, ito yung postcard na may signature. Uy, ang ganda. Wow. Of Hisong. Jay! Oh, gwapo. Ay, gano'n. Jake. Sarange. But Sarange all members! Ang hirap mag-stand ng ENHA. Lahat. Ay, ang gwapo. Gwapo. Pogi! Oh, Sono. Then we have Jungwon. Wapo, oh. And then, Nikki. Uy, ang ganda. Baka yung sa Dusk, meron ding signature. I'll check that later. Wait. Okay. Put this back. Set aside again. Okay, pagdasalan natin. Nakabahan ako! But, wait, ilan to? Wait lang. Okay, I'm ready. Hoy, si Jungwon? Wait! Ah! Taray! Parehas! That's amazing! Kita niyo yun? I got my bias again! Oh my god, why am I like this? Uy, is that coincidence? Uy, ang gwapo. Gwapo, guys. Ang gwapo. Of course, we have the QR code for Weavers. And this. Also, let's have a sneak peek on the album. This is the CD. Uy, ang ganda. Wait, let's turn it around. Ang ganda ng CD. Oh, namo 예뻐. 예뻐. Wait, sure ba? Isa lang? Dalawa? Ah! Yan kagwapo. Wait, let me show you the group photo. Oh, yung... I cannot explain talaga. Uy, ang gaganda. Uy, ang gagwapo. I cannot. Hindi na maintindihan. Wait, let me check the back. Ay! Ala, ang saya. They have photo cards sa likod as well. Uy, ang ganda. Ba't ganito? You know? Photo card yung style. It's like a scan. Weh? And how? Why you like this? Uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda, to be honest. Pero what's weird is, I just ordered this last April. And may new release na naman sila. May pinapa-pre-order sila, which is the Border Carnival. Broke si ate girl niya. Uy, ang ganda. Wow. Wow. I cannot. Also, I love the freebies. Ang cute. I got Jay. Ang cute sa likod. Okay, so I'm back in my right mind. Medyo na-overwhelm ako sa mga nakuha kong PCs. But if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to get notified whenever I post or upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!